1926, it all began in a workshop. Wood, steel, and craftsmanship. In Pforzheim, Gotthold Haffner built more than machines. He built an engineering tradition. From the 1970s to the 2000s, CNC processing and automation reshaped our production. After 2010, production in the center of Haffner moved to Turkey. A new base, a stronger foundation, a turning point. From that moment on, Haffner entered a new phase of growth. Research and development took the lead. New technologies, new approaches, solutions that set new standards for the industry. At the same time, our technical service evolved, turning after-sales into a strategic advantage. After 2020, aluminum took center stage. Breakthrough projects, global delivery, robotics and automation redefined efficiency and precision. Large-scale integrated production lines, a milestone for modern manufacturing. Today, in our 25,000 square meters modern facility, we make advanced technology accessible. For 100 years, one purpose has never changed: to produce, to improve, to build the future. From local craftsmanship to a global brand. Haffner, engineering technology since 1926.